How to redeem a Spotify gift card. If you've received a Spotify gift card, redeeming it is quick and easy, but it has to be done through a web browser, not the mobile app. First, open your browser and go to spotify.com/redeem. Make sure you are logged into the Spotify account where you want to apply the gift card. Then, carefully enter the PIN code found on the back of the gift card. If it's physical, you'll need to scratch off the coating to reveal the code. After entering the code, click Redeem. If the card is valid, the value will be instantly applied to your account, typically adding 1 or more months of Spotify Premium, depending on the card's amount. Once redeemed, you can immediately start enjoying ad-free listening, offline playback, and unlimited skips. Just make sure to redeem the card before it expires. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.